Good morning, students. Today we will do three-letter words with ob words. O b b ob ob. K ob. This is picture of cob. Cob होती है छल्ली. J ob job. Job. M ob mob. Mob means भीड़. S ob sob. Sob means सिसकी लेना, रोना. Now we will write it. S ob sob. S ob sob. Job. J ob job. Next है क ob cob.